Sabbhetiyo vivajantu sabbarogo vinasatu ma te bhavattvantarayo sukhi digayuko bhava abhivadena silissa niccang buddhapachayino chattaro dhamma vaddhanti ayu vanno sukhang balang. Beg dorani pidditok, beg pireyani nazoizuk, hono bipot apot tomaidu noezuk, onjur sugi one ayu lambaok. Silvanore somman golle, geni gunire nitto sebajoton golle, seran dormo lagot, seran dormo barizai, ayu heyerong suk bol yani lagot pai. May all distresses be averted. May every disease be destroyed. May there be no dangers for you. May you be happy and live long. For one of respectful nature, who constantly honors the worthy, 4 qualities increase: long life, beauty, happiness, and strength.